The role of a nurse instructor involves receiving referrals from local health professionals here in Carmarthenshire. We take those referrals and we pop them onto the national database, and from there we arrange an initial assessment with the referral client. In the assessment we'll gather information about health, well-being, and we take some baseline measurements such as blood pressure, height and weight. We also carry out quality of life scores, and we assess the current physical activity levels and their capabilities. We repeat these assessments again at the end of their 16-week period with us. We take a variety of types of session. Those include in leisure facilities, community halls, gym settings and even online. We help people with various chronic diseases, for example, coronary heart disease, strokes, falls, cancers, or even neurological issues. We have strong links with Hywel Dda, and as part of my role I go out to deliver talks to rehabilitation groups that they run to help explain the benefits of joining the scheme and to help break down some barriers. The overall aim of the scheme is to help reduce the risk of coronary heart disease by increasing physical activity, by reducing sedentary behaviour, and also to help mental health and well-being.